That's the key thing. That's the key thing. All the microphones the boys will have to know, put their heads down to come through that door.
This is 31st of December, end of fun. Lovely, thank you very much. I must go into the McAlonan residence, to their home now, and get them all in here to this Millennium Dome. They're hungry for something.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
Oh, are they? Oh, they have 2 samples there. They're ready for them.
Now this is Mrs. McAlonan. She's the resident of this 73 Castle Street, Valley Castle. And she's cooking up a Millennium meal. Family of 7. And all the we're cooking up chicken, steak burgers, other stuff there. What do you call those things there?
Garlic bread.
And they're cooking up garlic bread and a whole rack of other things. And this is Susan, her daughter.
This is the 20th century house, the 1900 house that was on telly. Did you see it on Channel 4? There's a program on Channel 4 about people who had to live in the 1900 house. Now this is the 20th century house. You don't say very much, Catherine.
And that other lady down there is Mary, Mrs. McAlonan's daughter.
Oh, we're all down here. And keep your back straight, your back right in. What if I wash it that sauce now? Use it for the chicken, the orange chicken. Oh, yeah, good idea. But you must be sure it's really, really well washed. Yeah, we got, do you want to do it? I will, yeah, thank you. This is how I chicken with the sauce. Really well washed.
It's a pity you couldn't get all the aromas into that camera.
What did
Because
you say?
all the aromas, the lovely flavour, smells, no.
Have you tried that chicken
Yes.
there? Lovely.
I'll have a little taste later, Susan. Now this is McAlonan, who's prepared all this for the Millennium 2000, and I will hand over to Mr. McAlonan.
It started very simple. Luncheon was on here one night, and he said to his mother, would you have a party for the Millennium? And we'd all help. So she agreed. And that was how it started. But there's an awful lot of work. Many a time I thought I was full. But that was getting it ready for the party. But thank God for that. But I'm all here tonight. That's what I think.
Now you put in a new floor out into your loft.
Aye.
Now there's a lot of preparation with that.
I would put in 2 new floors, or 2 lofts out there, 2 floors. And they cleaned all the walls and ceiling and whitened the walls.
So you finished
Yes.
your Millennium Dome on the 31st of December, was it? Or did you finish
What day is today?
the 31st?
Oh no, I just finished there at 62.
Yes. It's a great job. Very well done. Thank you very much from everyone. Excuse me, girls. Nauna and Mary and Susie are standing up cooking the Millennium meal.
For everybody.
There's been an awful lot of work has been into this party. And there's two more lovely girls coming in.
Oh my goodness.
Hello. Hello, hello.
Turn around there to the camera.
Hello, girls.
Hello. Hi, yourself.
You'll do your party piece later on, won't you? Yes?
What, did you sing?
To do something, Susan. No, this is Susan, my Kelowna, and she's a great cook.
Kathy, do you want me to hear just a bit deep now?
Yes, I'll get something later on, Mrs. McLona.
Stop being on poshy.
And this is Michael McLona, and he's coming now to lift a plate.
No, the chips are nowhere near them. Should I not put them up to the upper? No. These chips, should I do it on the shelf?
Michael J is going for the chicken. Here's just the pepper and salt on it.
Well, I think that ought to go for me to go. Or will it not? Not the sofa stuff.
Say farewell and watch the Millennium Dome now. Right, everybody get in behind Granda and Nauna there. Please, everybody get in behind Granda and Nauna. Please. Please, everybody going up in there. Please. No, I'm all right. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yes, yes. Please, everybody go up in there. Get it. be very disappointed.
And here is the single stash of
Kate and Megan! Kate and Susie!
Oh, there's Tommy! Where's Tommy? And here is more party covers. I'm going to give you. That's not nice.
Auntie Kathleen! Auntie Kathleen! Speechless!
Hello! Happy New Year!
Good boy.
It's a brilliant year! Sugar rock, golden New Year!
Where did all the farmers go? I went to the garage.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Party covers.
Are you reading instructions?
I tried ringing it and it was